Welcome to this practice. My name is Peter, and this is Rest and Restore. So we're just going to lay down. Are you ready? Let's begin. All right, let's begin on our back. And to begin, we'll start with our feet on the floor, and then our arms over our heads, and then we'll take a hold of opposite elbows here. You want your feet to be about hip width apart. So this is some just very gentle, soothing movements. Now you're going to let both knees fall to the right, and at the same time, let the elbows slide to the left. Inhale, come to center, and then exhale, elbows right, knees left. Gentle and slow. Inhale and exhale. On your own, keep going like that. Really, the slower, the better. And if you're able, more sliding and less lifting the elbows. So if your mat might be a little slicker, this will work well. You can also be on the floor, side to side. Full reset for the nervous system. Sliding into ease for the body. You can just close your eyes here. Nothing to see, nothing complicated to do. Sometimes the best stuff we can do is kind of just roll around on the ground and trust that our body knows how to find ease, knows how to find relaxation. And just another few rounds here. Now, next time the knees come to the left, let them fall. And then we'll place that left ankle on top of the right thigh or the right knee. So it just acts as a little counterweight. And we'll take 5 slow breaths here. One more breath. And carefully back to center, left foot on the floor. And we'll cross the right ankle over the left thigh. And then let both knees fall to the right. You can adjust this. You can walk that left foot a little to the left or in a little bit as your body allows. One more big breath. Slowly back to center. And we'll keep the shape of the legs. Walk that left foot to the center. And we'll reach down and we'll draw that left knee in towards our chest. And you can lace the finger around the shin or behind the thigh, okay? For those of us who are a little more stretchy, you can lace the fingers around this right shin and let the left leg go long, okay? This is pretty deep, so be careful with that variation. We got 5 breaths right here. Slowing down all the rhythms in the body. Last 2 breaths here. Slowly set the left foot down. And this time we'll reach the right leg up to the sky, lacing the fingers behind the thigh. And just gently encourage the leg towards your head. You can stay here or to go a bit deeper, left leg long to the earth. 5 breaths. And right here, just see if you can do less. So less effort. One more breath. Slowly rebend the knee. Let's give it a little squeeze. And then we'll put the foot down, second side. Good. Reach through, lace the fingers, draw it in. So this is figure 4 or thread the needle. The other option again is to take a supine pigeon pose, lacing the fingers, lacing the arms around that front shin, and breathing deeply into it, okay? You take the variation that feels best for you. Not overdoing it, but really focusing on that down regulation of slowing down. Last couple of breaths. Slowly, right foot to the floor, left knee in, give it a little squeeze, and then your left leg up to the sky. Lacing the fingers behind that thigh, and if the body allows, right leg extends long. 5 breaths. Nice and easy. We are here to rest. We are here to restore. So if you feel any tension that you're adding, then back off a little bit. One more big breath. Draw the left knee in, give it a squeeze. And draw the right knee in, give it a squeeze too. Give yourself a hug. Feet to the floor. And then we just lay it all down. Palms turn open. The legs roll out. Let's share one deep breath in. And one deep breath out. Let the whole body get really heavy. Releasing any tension, any effort, any bit of doing. Release. Heavier and heavier into the earth. Releasing any holding, any constriction in the mind and the body and the breath. Just melting and falling away. You're welcome to remain laying down in this Shavasana experience, or you can begin to come out of it. Whatever you decide. Thank you for making time for this practice to unwind, to slow down. And just a reminder, you can come back to this practice and so many more whenever you need to slow down or maybe pick it up again. We have practices for you for any time of day. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being open to this, and I hope to see you soon.